Stock market is a place where you can make your career. You can make a lot of money. In today's video, guys, we will talk about some very common mistakes which people make and they kind of lose a lot of money. So guys, welcome to your channel. My name is Karan and let us start the video with some very common mistakes which people are making right now in stock market. Okay, point number one. A very common mistake people make is that they buy high. They buy a stock at a higher price and they end up selling that stock at a low price. You have done it too. I have done it too. But most of the people, they just sell the stock at a loss without any rhyme or reason. Maybe the company is doing well. Maybe the stock has come down because of some market fluctuation. Maybe some macroeconomic factor. Maybe a war or a pandemic, and they just sell the stock because of the panic. That's the first mistake which people do. Okay, so what actually happens? Mistake number two is that when people should invest more, they try to get out of the market. Or when the time is to get out of the market, people try to invest more. For example, when people see the market is going up, like right now it is December 2023, market is going up, right? It is touching 63,000 and it is just, there is a bull run right now. So people tend to invest more. Right now, the time is to maybe sell some securities, maybe invest in a staggered way. But let's see, there was a time in April 2020 when the pandemic was on, people were selling. You catching my point? People are investing more when the market is going up. People are investing less when the market is going. People are selling when the market is going down. What should be the case? People should buy more when the market is going down, and people should buy less when the market is going up. I hope you're catching my point. That was point number two. So point number three is that when you should buy more. Okay, when you should buy more. If you feel the company's fundamentals are fine, the company is doing well, whatever the stock has gone down, if the company is doing well, I should stick to the stock. Okay, I should give myself 6 months and I should see if am I willing to pay the price for this stock right now? If the answer is yes, if you feel the stock is doing, the company is doing well, management is good, profits are fine, if I'm willing to buy the stock more, stay there. Else just get out of the stock. Third point, very, very important. Whether to stay in the stock or leave. I've just explained. If you feel you want to invest more, you should stay. If you feel I will not invest any more money, time is to sell off the stock. Okay, so guys, I have covered 3 very common mistakes which people are making while they are doing stock investing. Try to avoid these 3 mistakes and trust me, you will do really well. Again, I always say thumb rule of stock investing is that you invest in companies with good fundamentals. And you have to invest for long term. And if you have some money with you, maybe a big lump sum, invest in the market in a staggered way. Let's say you have 1 lakh rupees. So invest in a staggered way over a period of 6 months so that you get dollar cost averaging, or we call rupee cost averaging. You get a stock at different prices and you will make decent money. Okay, so these are the thumb rules. Good companies, invest in a staggered way into the market. Invest for long term. Equity means 5 to 7 years. Because companies, those who are doing their business, they need some time to perform. And when they perform, their share will grow. And once the share will grow, your wealth will grow. And as we know, our stock exchanges have given us a good returns in the long run. Around 15 to 16% return we have got from Bombay Stock Exchange. So trust the companies in India. Stay invested for the long term. Select good companies. Okay, and avoid the mistakes which we have discussed in this video. I will see you in my next video. In case you want to share some more mistakes, guys, please share them for the benefit of each other. We will learn from each other in the comment section below, and we will grow together in this journey of investing, and we'll have a very good time. Thank you guys.